Hear that mysterious hum? You're not alone. In the quiet town of Taos, whispers of a strange, low-frequency hum baffle residents and scientists alike. So, what could be causing it? Some think it's a natural geological or electromagnetic phenomenon. Others wonder if it's just a psychological trick of the brain. Regardless, its eerie presence leaves a psychological imprint on listeners, challenging our understanding of sound and perception. Could such harmonics be redefining how we perceive our environment? Perhaps the real mystery lies in what we cannot hear, yet endlessly ponder.